Donegal, for Ellie. Ardent on the beach at Rosnala on the last day of summer, you ran through the shallows, throwing off shoes and shirt and towel like the seasons, the city's years, all caught in my arms as I ploughed on behind you. Guardian still of dry clothes, of this little heart, not quite 13, breasting the waves and calling back to me to join you, swimming in the Atlantic on the last day of summer.
Really nice. Pretty insane, isn't it?
I saw a man in the shallows with his hands full of clothes, full of all the years, and his daughter going where he knew he could not follow.